Welcome to this guide on essential steps for new homeowners. Getting your keys is a major milestone, but managing your home properly is just as important. Let's explore how to settle in effectively. Closing on your home is an incredible accomplishment. However, homeownership is a continuous journey. This video outlines the key actions to take during your first few weeks to protect your new investment. With keys in hand, you have officially transitioned from a buyer to a homeowner. This new role comes with responsibilities, and your first few weeks are the perfect time to get organized. First, prioritize home security. Since you don't know who previously held keys, changing exterior locks is a vital step. Also, remember to reset garage door codes, smart locks, and alarm systems. Next, ensure your utilities and services are correctly transferred to your name. Check your electricity, water, gas, internet, and waste services to prevent any unexpected service interruptions. Take time to locate your home's critical systems. Know exactly where your electrical panel, water shutoff valves, gas shutoffs, and HVAC controls are located so you can act quickly in an emergency. Organization is key. Maintain a physical binder and a digital folder containing your closing documents, appliance manuals, warranties, and receipts. Having these records accessible will save you time later. Understand your mortgage. Confirm your first payment due date. Identify your loan servicer, learn how your escrow account functions, and set up online access to track your loan status easily. Review your homeowner's insurance. It is one of your most important documents. Familiarize yourself with your coverage, deductibles, and keep your insurance company's contact information readily available. Establish a seasonal home maintenance plan. Consistent, small tasks throughout the year help prevent major issues and extend the life of your home's systems. Don't forget to update your address. Systematically notify government agencies, financial institutions, your employer, and any subscription services to ensure you don't miss important mail or bills. Build a team of trusted professionals. Whether it's a plumber, electrician, or HVAC technician, knowing who to call before an emergency occurs makes all the difference. It is a common misconception that the hard work ends at closing. In reality, closing is just the beginning. A proactive approach is the best way to protect your investment. Another myth is that you will naturally learn how your house works over time. Don't wait for a system failure to learn about your home. Proactive knowledge prevents costly surprises. In summary, learn your home's systems, read your manuals, keep a maintenance calendar, and stay organized. These steps will help you enjoy your home with confidence. Let's review the key takeaways. To successfully manage your home, remember to secure your property, organize all vital documents, and fully understand your mortgage details. Additionally, ensure your insurance is reviewed, maintain a seasonal care plan, and build a network of trusted contractors. These steps provide a solid foundation for your home's longevity. This presentation is for educational purposes only. Responsibilities can vary by property, so always consult qualified professionals like licensed contractors or financial advisors regarding your specific situation. Your home is a major investment, and protecting it begins the day you receive the keys. By taking small, consistent steps, you ensure your home grows in value for years to come.